Bila dengar perkataan negara maju, apa yang terlintas dalam fikiran korang? Gaji tinggi, teknologi canggih, rakyat hidup senang dan macam-macam lagi benda yang nampak hebat. Tapi betul ke semuanya macam tu? Hakikatnya tak seindah yang kita bayangkan. Ambil contoh Amerika Syarikat. Kita semua tahu Amerika ialah negara maju. Malah banyak teknologi hebat datang dari sana. Tapi siapa sangka, dalam tempoh 10 tahun kebelakangan ni, harga dan kualiti makanan masih lagi jadi isu besar dalam kalangan rakyat di sana.
This is what I mean when I say it is so expensive to eat healthy in America right now. I just bought these spring onions, $3.50. The woman was too stunned to speak.
The sad truth is that 90% of the stuff in these supermarkets is absolute garbage for you. Literally 90% of these supermarkets. And this is the section you should be hanging out in right here. This is the produce section and the meat section. Other than that, all these rows and aisles of processed garbage is just absolute trash for us. Don't get me wrong, I love some good snacks every once in a while, some good treats to, tickle my taste buds, but the truth is, you walk into a supermarket, 90% of this stuff is absolute trash, garbage for you. Most of it's not even real food. Just the truth.
Just want to show you guys what I bought with $20. And this is why we have health problems. Obesity, because healthy foods are more expensive. They are not really accessible like they are in other countries. Cucumber, tomato, broccoli crown, green beans, spinach, strawberries, Thai green curry mix, ramen noodles. Not so healthy option like this is 98 cents. Versus healthy option, spinach, $3.69.
Kita selalu dengar orang barat, khususnya orang Amerika, selalu pandang rendah negara-negara Asia Tenggara, termasuk Malaysia.
We call Malaysia a third world or a developing country, but look at this. This is what neighborhoods look like in parts of Malaysia. This is in Georgetown, Penang, so in Kuala Lumpur.
Dorang panggil negara kita negara dunia ketiga, dan mungkin dalam bayangan dorang, kita semua kat sini kelaparan dan susah nak dapat akses makanan sihat. Tapi bila datang sendiri ke sini, rupanya ramai yang tak sangka yang kualiti makanan kat negara kita jauh-jauh lagi bagus dari apa yang ada dekat Amerika. Kat negara kita, harga makanan masih berpatutan. Pilihan makanan pun sangat banyak dan rasa pun sedap.
This street food, drink in a bag, and chicken and rice cost me $4. Malaysian street food. I just paid almost $19 for what you see here. There's like 7 pieces of shrimp in here. I don't fucking miss this country.
Okay, honestly, what they say about food in Malaysia is definitely true. We're not even in KL. We are in Port Klang today, which is a little town near KL. And everything slapped. Like, the food was so good. We had bagels, and they were some of the best bagels I ever had. The pasta was really good. The matcha was really good. The coffee was really good. So, yeah, I gotta give it to Malaysians for their food.
Bukan setakat harga murah dan pilihan yang pelbagai. Dari segi sumber makanan pun, negara kita sebenarnya ada kelebihan yang besar berbanding Amerika.
I want to talk about moringa or malunggay. So these are malunggay leaves that grew on my balcony. I live in a condominium and the leaves are super nutritious. A lot of Malaysians eat the fruit. And when you go to the wet market and say, I want to buy moringa leaves, nobody can sell you the leaves. Leaves are in fact super nutritious, high in calcium.
Moringa leaves are noted to have more vitamin A than carrots and more vitamin C than oranges.
And I highly recommend that you add this into soup. So in the Philippines, we do a lot of soup using malunggay, chicken soup, which is called tinola. I highly recommend for you to try this with your soup, especially if you're a breastfeeding mother. You really need to drink this inside the soup together with green papaya. You will have a lot of breast milk. So just before my helper cooks this, I just wanted to make sure that you see malunggay is super healthy.
So today I'm at the Chowkit market and I'm searching for some mangosteen. This market is literally so big and you can find so many different fruits for very good prices here. Also, they allow you to try the fruit before you buy it. Sedap. I've learned that when you're searching for mangosteen, you should avoid the black ones and you should go for the softer purple ones because those are ripe.
Kita tinggal di kawasan tropika yang kaya dengan hasil bumi sepanjang tahun. Sayur-sayuran, buah-buahan dan pelbagai bahan segar lebih senang nak dapat tanpa perlu disimpan terlalu lama. Sebab tu kalau tengok video tadi, mereka memang teruja bila masuk pasar dan nampak macam-macam sayur segar yang bagus untuk kesihatan. Benda macam ni bukan senang nak jumpa di Amerika. Pandangan awal diorang pasal Malaysia pun akhirnya berubah. Negara yang selama ni dianggap dunia ketiga, rupanya mampu bagi akses kepada makanan segar yang lagi mudah. Tak jarang ramai yang cakap macam ni bila datang ke Malaysia. Pada mulanya saya tak letak harapan tinggi pada negara dunia ketiga macam Malaysia. Tapi bila saya datang sendiri ke sini, semua tanggapan saya terus berubah. Saya siap tertanya-tanya, macam mana negara Asia Tenggara macam Malaysia boleh ada kualiti makanan yang lebih baik dari Amerika?